Welcome to another quick and fast tutorial. Today's video I'm going to show you how to block code in Google Docs. Here you can see a paragraph. I want to code this paragraph. So if you want to do that, first of all point your mouse pointer here, then go to three dot menu, or if you zoom out or zoom in, then you can see the option is available. You can click increase indent, and that's it. If you want to increase margin or adjust margin from right, click here and move your mouse pointer. You can also adjust the alignment from here. That's it. It's very simple to do. I hope this is helpful for you. If you think this is helpful, then do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.